Hi, I'm Georgia from Getsitecontrol, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up a form submission automation for your email sign-up forms. So let's get to it. In the All Widgets tab of the dashboard, find the form and click Setup Automation. Proceed to create a new one. This type of automation is triggered when visitors submit their email through the form. In the settings at the top of the screen, you can add more forms if you want to run this same automation for multiple forms. As an alternative, you can create a form submission automation from the Automations tab. In this case, you'll click Create Automation and then select Form Submission as the trigger. In the settings at the top of the screen, you'll need to specify all the forms you want to connect to the automation. Next, create an email. Open the Actions menu and select Send Email. At this point, choose the template to use as a base to craft your email. You can start from one of these basic templates if you want to create the email from scratch, or select a more elaborate one. You can even reuse an email you've previously created, which is exactly what I'm going to do now. Customize the template however you want. Add or remove elements, enter a subject line, preview, and specify a reply to address. To learn how to use the email editor, watch our video tutorials. They are linked on the screen. When you're satisfied with the result, save and close the email. If you'd like to send a sequence of emails instead of just one, repeat this process to add as many emails as you want to the automation. Don't forget to add time delays between the emails to space them out across several days instead of sending them all at once. If you don't want to include all contacts who submitted their email in the automation, you can set conditions for the automation or for specific emails within it. Here you can see all the available conditions. This is useful, for example, if you're tagging contacts based on the preferences expressed in the form, and want to send different emails depending on the tag. In this case, you can add all the different emails to the same automation and set conditions for each one. For example, if a subscriber has this tag assigned, they'll see this email. If they have this other tag, they'll see a different welcome email. If you want to learn more about tagging contacts in Getsitecontrol, watch our dedicated video next. When you're satisfied with the setup, activate the automation and exit the automation screen. And that's it. Your form submission automation is ready. Now go set up your own and start engaging your subscribers.